Chingudeul. Today I'm going to do another unboxing. This time it's a curling robot vacuum cleaner. Yes. My husband bought this last Friday and I was surprised because when he arrived home he has this one, because I was complaining that I'm having difficulty in cleaning the attic because the roof is too low, so I'm having back pain and using the vacuum cleaner. So he bought this one, curling robot vacuum cleaner. Okay, let's open. I'm so excited. Now let's open it. Okay, brand name is Sapper. I have to clean the house because tomorrow I have a visitor. And last weekend I didn't have a chance to try this. Ooh, another box. Look. Nice. So it comes with battery and remote control, and it has a sound as well. I prefer color black, but I think this one is white. So let's see. It's color black, but in the box it was white. Yeah, love it. Nice. So we'll try this later. So it comes with manual, so I will check the manual. So this curling robot vacuum cleaner has two colors, black and white. So it comes with the machine, adapter, remote control, the dust bin, and brushes. Yeah, see. So this is it, and it comes with the rags, brushes, adapter, battery, and remote controller. I think the battery is for the remote controller. Okay, I'll put the battery first. Yeah, that's right. And let's see if there's a charge for this. If not, I have to charge it. Okay. Done. Okay, I will remove the plastic, double seal. Okay, and then you see this. And you can remove. Okay, so to see the dust here, you can remove it like this and close it. To charge it, you can see here the charger. This is the socket for the adapter. Then you have to remove this, just the protection. Okay, done. And you can see these are the sensors, and these are the wheels. It has 3 wheels. The sensor I have to put it here so to detect if it will fall. So you just have to insert like this. 판대요? 이렇게 그냥 놓고 됐다. If you hear the sound, it means it was sealed. If you want to clean the house and with a rag, so you just put it here. Okay, so that's it. Let's try. If you turn it on, you can hear a sound. Let's listen.
로봇 청소기를 사용해 주셔서 감사합니다.
It said that thank you for using the robot cleaner. Okay, I'm going to use the remote control. Okay, start. It said that it will start now. But the battery is not enough. Oh, no. No charging.
1 hour later.
It's now fully charged, so you can see that the light turned green before it was red. Okay, I'm turning it on again. Okay, let's play. Starting now. So I have to remove carpet like this. Colin eh. Again. It bounds if there are other places. Oh, careful. You might fall. Wow, I'm impressed. See? Oh, really cleaning. Wow, so clean now. Yes, doing household chores would be easier now because of the help of this robot vacuum cleaner. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Annyeong. Good night.